Good morning, Hillbrook. Welcome to our DEI Spotlight this morning, where we recognize and highlight the various identities and cultures at Hillbrook. Today, we have Joy and Jules Silver. We're going to share a little bit about Jewish heritage and culture in regards to the high holidays that occurred recently. Jules and Joy, welcome.
Hi,
I'm Jules. This is my mom, Joy.
Hi.
But I call her mom.
Okay. We just finished celebrating the big Jewish holidays. They're called Rosh Hashanah, which is for Happy Jewish New Year, and Yom Kippur, which is our Day of Atonement. And we're actually broadcasting to you from our third Jewish holiday, which is called Sukkot. We build a special kind of hut or booth in our yard and eat meals in here to say thanks for the fall harvest. And I'm just going to explain a little bit about what the two major holidays are, Rosh Hashanah and Yom Kippur, and then Jules is going to do a little demonstration. So Yom Kippur, we just finished. That is actually a amends for anything that we did that we need forgiveness for. And we do a lot of self-reflection and thinking about what choices we could have made that would be better in the next year. And we fast for 25 hours, but sometimes we don't make 25 hours of not eating. And when you have a Jewish friend and you want to recognize that they're observing Yom Kippur, you say, I wish you an easy fast or a meaningful day of reflection. But you don't say happy Yom Kippur because it's not a happy day. It's a day of deep thinking. But you do say Happy New Year. And Rosh Hashanah, we just started and finished. It is the Jewish New Year. It's a day we celebrate the birthday of the world. So people sometimes even have birthday cakes for the world. And we go to synagogue and we eat apples and honey to wish each other a sweet new year. It's a time of hope, which our world really needs right now. And one of the ways that we symbolize that hope is actually hearing the note of hope, which comes from this instrument from ancient times.
It comes from a ram's horn.
Yeah, and this is the sound that we play in synagogue and all over the world, all at the exact same moment, to wish everybody a happy new year and to start the signal of time of hope.
This might be
Okay, and then we're done.
Okay. This is I'm gonna do the longest one.
Here we go. Great job, Jules. Happy New Year, everyone.